Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the pin code on your robotic lawnmower. So we're going to have to go into the app. By default it's 0000, but you're going to want to change it to your own pin. At the moment this pin here is 1234, but we're going to change it, let's pretend, to 9988. So we're going to enter the device and we're going to go to these three little lines here, which is the menu, and we're going to go down the bottom to where it says reset pin code. It's going to ask us for the old one, and then you've got to put your new one in twice. So the old one is 1234. Just out of interest, you can't put 0000. So if you wanted to put it back to the default, it's going to tell you that you can't do it. Pin code cannot be all the zeros. So delete that. So what did we say? 9988. Let's do that again. 9988. And now go to confirm.
Bluetooth pairing successful.
Pin code changed successfully. And now, if we were to go into here and turn it off and back on again, you will see that the pin code has now changed. So you can see we have the little lock symbol here. So we're going to go into our new pin, which is 9988. So we're going to scroll through here. 9, press OK. Scroll through, these are the odds. 9 again, press OK. Now I need to go to 8. OK, and 8. OK. You can see now the lock symbol's gone and we are unlocked. So that's it, that's how to change your pin code on your Anthbot robotic lawnmower. Thanks for watching.